Meaning of double chin.
Double chin.
Double chin.
Double chin.
Double chin. Double chin is a common condition characterized by the appearance of an extra fat layer underneath the chin, resulting in the appearance of a second chin. The accumulation of excess fat around the neck and chin area typically occurs due to factors such as obesity, aging, genetics, or poor posture. The result is a bulging chin that can affect one's facial aesthetics and self-confidence. Various treatments are available to reduce double chin, including liposuction, facelift surgery, and non-invasive procedures like cool sculpting and Kybella injections.